We're gonna make a to-do list for the week and get set and ready together. Part of my Sunday self-care routine is getting my week together, making sure that I have the main notes for what I intend to do for the week, because it's really hard for me to stay focused otherwise. So I literally have this pad of paper, and these are my main things I gotta do this week, and I got the days, which week it is, the end of July and August, the beginning of August. I got the days of the week right here, the things I'm promising myself I'm gonna do. Each day I wanna make sure to get some self-care in there and exercise as well. I've not been getting enough weights and weightlifting in my life. So anyone that would like to join me in some self-care organization, I've got a binder here that I like to organize my stuff in. I also have another binder here for brand new stuff. I got stamps. I can always send letters. I don't know if anyone else is actually into letter sending these days, but for me it's super nostalgic. Anyway, I got my best favorite stuff in here in this smaller binder. This is how I organize it. One smaller binder. This one has all my current stuff in it. Like anytime I want to go for some paper, a pen, and some sort of creative outlet, I can just hurry up and come here. And then I have on this side just blank paper. Also I have this because I'm trying to get more neat and organized, but this is for after I've like kind of gone through it. I'm just trying to be creative and have a good time. So this binder is a little bit more like serious stuff. I'm still working on it. I actually just pulled it out and started organizing. I just wanted to share some tips on how I organize my life. This is what it looks like. I have all kinds of notes with the descriptions, but I also have this part in the very back, which is like empty ones. So I can completely start over when I want to. And actually I just took out one and put it in here for my most important stuff. Then I have this really pretty thing. This one has lines in it. Sometimes it's easier to write with lines. I prefer the kind sometimes with no lines. This kind of paper with like no lines on it at all. But sometimes I require purple with lines. I don't know. It's just like, it depends on the day of the week, you know? One time I got really frustrated and I was like writing about something. I think that I was in the feelings tab. Like, I don't know, I just got mad. Anyway, I ripped this part off, trying to be more constructive. And so I organized this better. And it's just pretty much really easy to get to any topic. If there's like things you're inspired by or things that bother you, or I'm trying to like have a section for all my things that are awesome and then also things I need to work on. I have a family section. I'm just organizing stuff today, so feel free to let me know if you have any tips or tricks on how to survive, keep up with your mental health. And I heard someone say the other day that like most people don't actually do self-care. Most people do aftercare after there's already been damage. That is so true, because self-care is more like maintenance, and it's like a habit that you can get into the routine of taking care of yourself. If you already feel super burnt out or stressed or anxious, then maybe some aftercare is what you need. But ideally, we can try to avoid the damage in the first place, that type of thing. Anyway, I hope you like these organizational ideas for staying creative and productive and keeping up with everything. So have a good one, friends. Talk to you soon.